Champions, how are you? So we have another question to do, and the question says an object is sliding from rest down the frictionless inclined plane. The object slides 1 meter during the first second. And what distance will the object slide during the second? So in this question we have to first calculate the acceleration with which it is going. So the friction component is already zero because it's a frictionless inclined plane. So we in this question we know that the t is 1 second and s, that is the distance traveled, is 1 meter. So and the initial velocity is 0 meter second. So s is equal to ut plus half a t square is our equation, and the equation says as 1 is the distance traveled, initial velocity is 0, so this component will goes off. So half a and t is 1 square, so a will be equals to 2 meter per second square. So the acceleration that the object with is moving is 2 meter per second square. So with this we will find we have to find in the distance traveled in the next second. So total second is 2. So total time is 2 seconds. We will find the distance, that is s equal to u would be definitely 0 because it is moving from the rest. Half a t square, a is our, we have already seen that it is 2 meter per second square. So the time component is 2 square, 2 second to 2 square. So with 2 goes to, it is 4. So the total distance traveled in 2 seconds is 4, and in 1 second it has covered 1 meter, and in 2 seconds 4 meter. So the distance traveled between this is 4 minus 1, that is 3 meter. So the option C will be the right option. We will check the mark scheme and it says the C option. So thank you guys for watching this video.